Do you think Tesla would be more likely to spend the next 3 to 6 months doing a whole lot of nothing, just going sideways, or doing what it did for these past couple of years, which is going up and then going down and then staying in that range?
I think that if broader 2021, I think it's up slightly. I think that, the numbers, we haven't seen the numbers for the December quarter. I think that they're going to be positive in terms of the deliveries. I think they're going to hit that kind of target that they had of near 500,000 vehicles for the year. So I think that is a directional positive. But I think beyond them, the numbers that they're going to put out the first week in January around the deliverables, I think that will be a positive catalyst for the stock. I think you would get into a period where there's just not a lot of big news coming out of the company. We do have a prediction that by the end of the year, we think it's late in the year, that they're going to start a chaperoned robo-taxi fleet. It probably needs a little bit of explanation what we're saying there. But that to us would be a measurable catalyst at the end of the year. But kind of between the early numbers to the end of the year. One other thing to keep in mind, too, is Tesla's got more demand than they can keep up with. And that's important because you can't have this unlimited upside in deliveries over the next 3-4 quarters, because you can have upside, but it is just hard for them to produce enough cars to meet demand. And so I think that you kind of, the middle part of the year, there's not a lot of big catalysts. The back half of the year, you get more talk about Cybertruck and what's going on in the robotaxi fleet. And I think that starts to pay the path for a company that's greater than $600 billion in value.